Good morning. Happy Janmashtami to
Good
everyone.
morning.
Good morning
Happy
everyone.
Janmashtami.
सो आज हमारे साथ स्पेशल गेस्ट हमने इनवाइट किए हैं आप लोगों के लिए, मतलब हम सभी में से हैं, लेकिन वो स्पेशल है क्योंकि हम लोगों वो चीज क्रिएट करने वाले हैं वो आज, जो हम कभी सोच ही नहीं सकते थे, रिकॉग्निशन वर्सेस एप्रिसिएशन। तो आज मैं स्पेशल गेस्ट को इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहूंगा कि इनका 15 साल का कॉर्पोरेट का एक्सपीरियंस है। ये वर्लपूल कंपनी में सीनियर मैनेजर पोस्ट पे हैं। इनका एंड लीजिंग सिमुलेशन टीम के हेड है। इन्होंने एमटेक किया है बिट्स से, और इनका प्रैक्टिस है डिजाइन थिंकिंग फ्रॉम, इन्होंने जो सर्टिफाइड ट्रेनर है, या हम क्या बोलेंगे उसको, सर्टिफाइड पर्सन है डिजाइन थिंकिंग के अंदर। और वो आज स्पेशल हमारा सेशन ले रहे हैं सुशील जी विश्वकर्मा जी। तो मैं हैंड ओवर कर रहा हूँ सुशील जी को, ताकि वो अपने इतने सालों का एक्सपीरियंस, उसमें की कोई छोटी सी चीज, छोटा सा निचोड़ आज हमारे सामने प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच सुशील जी, मैं आपको हैंड ओवर कर रहा हूँ।
Thank you, Nilesh ji. Thank you very much.
Morning,
Thank you very much for giving this opportunity and my privilege to lead this session today. So a very warm welcome to all of you, and wish you all happy Janmashtami. All of you coming together, at this. I joined this meeting at 5:20, so feels very wonderful. A lot of people join very early. It's a community which has formed, right, where people share, people connect to each other, right? So it's really awesome, right? We all are awesome. So you all are awesome. Thank you very much. Okay, so today we'll talk about a very important topic, which is recognition, right? Many of you connect with this recognition on a day-to-day basis, and it is very important in whether it is in your personal life or whether it is in your corporate life or in your business life. Recognition is something which drives, which motivates people, right, to work. So let me open up the floor a little bit, for a few minutes to have a sharing from all of you in terms of what you understand by recognition. Okay? And have you been recognized by somebody, or have you recognized someone in your, recent past? Okay? So maybe I'll open the floor if anybody would like to share. What do they understand by recognition?
Recognition means अगर किसी ने effort डाला है तो उसको recognize करना कि yes, this person has done something for the organization. Appreciation means then making a good use of this factor that he has done and how he has done, means expressing appreciation about the qualities of the work or that person. This is what I
Thank you, Pallavi. Yeah. Thank you. Let's focus on recognition only now, and we'll go to appreciation later. But thank you, very good inputs. Anyone else would like to share any recent?
Actually, appreciation we need on a everything. Whatever we do, we need appreciation for each and everything done. But recognition is on a broad way, that when you have put in efforts, the project is done, and after getting that hard work done, and you have put in so much of effort, and then you find that there is no recognition of that work, that is basically hurts somebody.
So it creates a kind of an distance, between the relationship.
Yeah,
between the
frustration basically.
Frustration. Very good. Thank you, madam. Anybody else would like to share?
Yeah, I would like to share कि अगर कोई काम सक्सेसफुल होता है तो रिकॉग्नाइज करना कि वो इसमें इसका मेजर कंट्रीब्यूशन है. To recognize that contribution of that person is the recognition.
Very good. So what he has given, or what is the output which he has given? Good. Very good.
Recognition could be through words, through a small acknowledgement. It could be through a gift. It could be in the form of a prize on a public platform.
Very good. Excellent. I think all of you which you have shared, it's a very good, very good understanding. Very brilliant people on the call, very, very intellectual people on the call, good leaders. So very good definition, all of you, what you mentioned is very true. So I like to create a little subtle understanding of what recognition means, how it is important, and how we can utilize this in our day-to-day life to enhance or motivate people, right? So now all of you mentioned about whenever somebody does some work or some activity, some outcome, you tend to recognize, right? Whether it is in your personal life, with your wife, with your children, or if you're employed in a in a company, to your team members, or your peers, or it could be within your businesses to your team which works with you, right? So every place, recognition plays a very, very important role to motivate people, or to create more energy, right, for something which the person has done, right? So all of you mentioned that whenever a person does something good, we have to recognize, right? And I think Neeraj ji has also talked about this topic earlier in terms of how you acknowledge or how you recognize certain person, right, for on a day-to-day basis, right? Now, every corporation, if it's MNC or any company, they, out of the 10 words spoken, recognition would be the one of the words which every time you hear. There are big surveys which are run to understand what is the gaps, what are the things which are lacking, what are the opportunities in the to make people motivated or better engaged to the work they are doing, right? And always, if you see, recognition would be one of those top 2 or top 3 topics where you have opportunity, where we need to do more. Even though you're doing it on a regular basis, you need to do more, right? And as many of you pointed out, the recognition, if it is not done correctly, right, it creates frustration, it creates anger, it creates a distance between between your, or if you're working for your boss or your manager, right, it creates a distance between you and the person. You hesitate, right, or you have a grudge for the person that, okay, I have been doing this kind of work, मैं तो हमेशा करता हूँ, but I get never recognized for me, right? So these kind of things, these kind of feelings you might have heard in your team, or it may have even happened with you many a times, right? Or it has happened with me also, right? So we'll talk about a very subtle aspects of recognition and just try to create something here for you. When we talk about recognition, there are typically 2 broad forms of recognition, right? And again, these are the topics, or these are the vocabulary which I have created. It may not be very similar what you find on the internet or on the videos. So there are specifically 2 type of recognition. One is lateral recognition, and second one is hierarchical recognition, right? So when we talk about lateral recognition, it talks about within the same band or the same grade of people, right, or same community of people. So peer-to-peer recognition, very powerful, very much used in every corporate to motivate, enhance, to create teamwork, to create trust within the team, right? It may not be coming from a supervisor, it may not be coming from a boss, it may not be coming from the owner of the company, but it is coming from a people whom you work every day, right? Here, I think when we start this call today, right, a lot of people were acknowledging, recognizing each other, right, on the work which they are doing or something which they have done. So it's a peer-to-peer recognition, which is a very, very powerful aspect of recognition, and it builds a teamwork, right? Even though the manager may not be involved here, it is like creating a family in its own, right? So that is one of the critical forms of recognition, which is lateral recognition or peer-to-peer recognition. The second form is hierarchical recognition. So this is either top down or bottoms up. Your manager recognizes you for some work which you have done, or you recognize your manager for something he has done for you, right? So there is a hierarchy when we are talking about recognition, like, right? It is either coming from your a grade above or it is coming from a grade below, right? So these are the, and again, this is also very important. Sometimes, even though you get always peer recognized, but you feel, okay, my manager should recognize, or my boss should recognize me for the work which you are doing. That is where I feel satisfied, or that is where the person feels satisfied. So each of these forms, 2 forms, are very, very important in their own place or in their own way to create motivation, engagement, productivity within the team, right? Now, there is also a slight difference in terms of the way the recognition is done. I think, one of you also talked about it when we did the sharing here. There could be non-monetary type of appreciation, which is either just writing an emails or just verbal. I think when we started off today, the meeting, I just told, you all are awesome because you're joining early, right? We all are awesome because we're joining early. So this is something for an action which you are doing, right? So this is just a verbal recognition, right? When this thing involves a certain gift or a certain reward or a certain monetary aspect, it is called monetary recognition, or we typically use the term reward, right? A recognition which is done with a certain monetary aspect involved in it is called reward. So based on the community of people you have within your team or within your workforce, there is a place for the non-monetary recognition, which is more on a regular basis, based on the outcome, based on the thing which the person does. There is also a place for the monetary recognition or rewarding somebody for a specific work which he has done, which creates satisfaction, which creates encouragement, which creates motivation. Okay, so these are the major aspects of recognition, right? And as I mentioned, whenever you are doing a recognition, right, it is very important to give a context for why you have been or you are recognizing any person, correct? Whenever you are giving a context for recognition, only then the person understands, okay, this is something which I have done. Like today, I say thank you to Santosh or Namdevji or to Nilesh. He might be puzzled. Okay, why did I say thank you? Or I said, okay, or somebody said, great job to you while walking down the coffee machine, right? So you are puzzled in terms of why I was, acknowledged or why I was recognized. Okay, so sometimes you might feel, okay, if you do this kind of a recognition very often without a context, the whole value of the recognition sometimes goes down, right? Instead of that, you recognize, you stop by for a few seconds and say, the work which you did yesterday was really great. It was phenomenal, right? And really thank you for doing this. So that creates a different form of satisfaction or context to the employer, to the person, that okay, something which I have done was, in X area was really good. Correct? So whenever, even if I take an example of, in your day-to-day household work, right? If your wife makes a good food someday, right? You recognize, okay, food was really good. I mean, for that matter, I don't want to have a gender bias. So even a husband makes good food, right? The wife would recognize, food today was really good, right? So, or even within your, as I mentioned, within your employee base, your peers, when some activity is done or some outcome or some performance has been created, you recognize, right? So this is a very important form of recognition, okay? And this creates a huge amount of productivity, a huge amount of connect or a good working relationship whenever you do recognition. And it is very highly encouraged that you do on a very regular basis so that it becomes a part and parcel of it. Okay, so I'd like to pause here just for a minute if there is any question, any comments from anybody.
Primarily recognition is for a positive or a negative reinforcement.
Yes, so I will come to that. I'll come to that. What recognition means and why do we really do it? So it is typically for an outcome or for an action or a work or a performance that the person does, right? We always use recognition and appreciation interchangeably, right? It is like semantics for us. And I'll slowly create, what appreciation means. But when you talk about recognition, it is typically for an outcome or a performance or what the person has done. I hope that is clear.
यानी हम ऐसा कह सकते हैं क्या कि किसी की अच्छाई को पहचानना और उसके बारे में उसकी तारीफ करना?
नहीं, किसी के अच्छे काम या उसने जो काम किया है, कुछ आउटपुट दिया है, या फिर कुछ तो काम किया है जिसके लिए आप रिकग्नाइज करते हैं। जैसे मैंने भी एग्जांपल दिया, योर वाइफ हैज मेड अ गुड फूड फॉर यू, राइट? सो एज अ पर्सन शी माइट बी गुड, और शी माइट but you are recognizing her for the food which she has made.
Okay.
So it is always a outcome or a performance aspect. When we talk about recognition, we recognize people for something, what they have done, okay, what positive things or good things they have done, right? Now just creating something slightly different here. How many of you feel that a recognition is sustainable, or if you do it often, it will create a sustainable outcome?
No way.
No? Great.
No.
Okay.
Because the moment you have done the work, you have received the recognition, and you have been allotted the another work. The past work, whatever you have done, is the history.
Exactly. Very good.
So that is why we have to keep on working. If we really need the recognition every time, if we are hungry for getting the recognition, we have to keep on working and put in efforts again and again.
Exactly. Very rightly said, Anantaji. Recognition is not sustainable. Okay, because moment you create recognition, always remember, recognition is something which you do for a good work or a good outcome which is done by certain people, right? And always within your team, if you see the recognitions which you do, if you are doing it very oftenly on a monthly basis or a daily basis, always, you might observe that you are doing it for a very subset or a very small portion of your team, right? Maybe 15%, 20% who are always performing good, right? The rest of the 80%, rest of the 75% are always not getting recognition, right? That is the reason why when you have these surveys, engagement surveys, you'll always get low scores for recognition, even if you're doing it every time. Because with recognition, we are addressing only a certain portion of the, or as Anita, you rightly mentioned, we are creating a rat race, okay? We are creating an expectation always. Okay, now this time I have done a good work. Let's see if I'm getting a reward or I'm getting a recognition from my manager, right? You create an expectation always. Or if you got a reward last time, this time also you did similar type of work, and if you don't get recognized, then it creates again a frustration for you. I did really good work, but somebody else who has done lower work or lower form of work, he got recognized. So it creates a competition both on positive and negative side, right? Which may not be sustained, right? And so let me create, what the examples which I gave you about, your wife making a good food and you recognized, or your team member who does a really great work or a good sales that day and you recognize, wonderful job for meeting this target, right? Consider a slightly different example. Suppose you are coming home from office, the food that your wife has made is not good. It is either too salty, too spicy, not good, doesn't taste good, right? What is our normal reaction, right? You might get frustrated, okay, because you're coming home from work, you're expecting a good, good dinner, and it is not good, right? You feel frustrated, then there's a kind of a small fight, and then you don't talk to each other, something of that sort happens, right? Similar maybe with your kid, or as a similar situation with your employees. A person who has not delivered the sales that month, or he has not delivered the target that month, you kind of speak in a different language. Okay, your body, even if you say good things, your body language shows that, okay, you're not happy with the person, right? Same thing if you slightly change the aspect or the perspective of looking at it. If your wife didn't make a good food that day, if you try to understand, try to empathize with her, try to understand, okay, is something wrong? Is something bothering you? Something happened today? Okay, are you really distracted with something? Similarly with your employees, right? Maybe you didn't do a good sales this month, or maybe you didn't meet the target, right? Is there something wrong? With the current pandemic situation, there could be multiple things which could go wrong with a person, right? His wife may not be good, well, his kids may not be good, some relatives might be in hospital, he might be mentally stressed, something, right? So this aspect when you do, right, it is different than recognition. Recognition is for the work which you do. when you're taking this aspect, it is called appreciation. Okay, something which you did for the for the person whom he is, not for the outcome. Okay, for the person, for what he is or what she is, that is appreciation. Okay? And that is the difference between recognition and appreciation. Recognition you do for an outcome or a performance of a person. Appreciation is done for the person, not for the outcome or the action. Okay, so I call it, when you say recognition, I call it promotive. Okay, or promotion plus attitude, because this is an attitude which everybody likes to promote in the organization, because you get outcomes from this. You want like to show, okay, this is the best employee, right? He is the best performer of this month, because you want to create that, you want to promote that kind of an attitude. While appreciation really means gratitude. Okay, so you are acknowledging the person for whom he or for who he or she is, not for the work which she has done or he has done. Okay, I think Dr. Pallavi was, that they're talking about the gratitude portion, right? Again, being an engineer, not getting into the medical portion of things, but it creates some chemical locha in your brain, right? Which is obviously positive, correct? When you do gratitude or when you show gratitude towards a person, not for the work which he or she has done, but for the person who he is, or for that individual as a whole, correct? So that is the power of the appreciation, and that is the subtle difference between appreciation and recognition. Although we use this terminologies every time, interchangeably, but it is slightly different, right? So what I call it, recognition creates a good working relationship. Okay, appreciation creates a good human relationship. I'll repeat. Recognition creates a good working relationship. Appreciation creates a good human relationship. It connects with people, not for the work. काम से मतलब नहीं. Connects to the people, right? Even if it is not for a specific activity, right? And when you're talking about appreciation, when you're talking about recognition, studies have found that when you do recognition, and it is very important, it enhances your productivity almost 25% within your team, within your group, right? But when you do appreciation, it enhances the productivity by around 45%, or approximately 45%. So there is a 20% additional delta with appreciation, right? So I'll leave you here with the thought. So what do you think is more long-lasting, appreciation or recognition? Thank you very much, Nilesh. I think we are almost
one thing I want to add on, I don't know I'm right or no, but appreciation is something you can do it in person on individual basis, and recognition is something which is required to be done in front of public.
Exactly, that is very true. It's the best practice to recognize people in public so that they feel good, right?
And my purpose here to say this is for all these husbands, if they think that appreciation is done only at home, no, it is to be recognized in front of public, in front of family. The wife has to be recognized there also.
Exactly, very true, very true.
Thank you, Sushil. Thank you for creating it. Like first time we recognize that we have a lot of people in our group.
Thank you, Nilesh. Thank you.
Like who can deliver their talents, who can deliver a lot of things. Like बहुत ही इतना छोटा difference है, लेकिन बहुत बड़ा difference है.
Exactly.
Most of the time, I think we are doing a lot of practices of appreciation, but we missed out on recognition. Like you said, you are recognizing somebody and then you're sending email. Like you did extraordinary job. So your email also makes a difference. And now I got it. Why recognition is so important.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you for creating it. और कुछ लोगों ने रिक्वेस्ट किया था कि हिंदी में बात करने को कहो, लेकिन जिस तरह से सुशील फ्लो में थे, मुझे लगता है हिंदी इंग्लिश कोई मायने नहीं रख रहा था, क्योंकि जिस तरह से बात कर रहे थे, इट्स सो अमेजिंग. मतलब आई एम ब्लेस्ड कि आपने ये सेशन हम लोगों के लिए लीड किया.
Thank you very much, Nilesh, for this opportunity.
Extraordinary session. Thank you very much for creating it.
I am humbled, sir. Thank you very much.
only 1 or 2 minutes. Ritu want to create laughter for everybody. आप में से कितने लोग हंसना चाहते हो सवेरे सवेरे? Do you want to laugh? Okay. Everyone. तो और एक talented personality हमारे पास है. So Ritu, go ahead.
We will take a very deep breath and हम अंदर से पहले एक साउंड निकालेंगे. It's very scientifically proven. मैं एक बार दिखाती हूँ and we will all will do it. Okay? तो हम एक लंबी गहरी सांस लेंगे and we will do it. Ha! 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 Let's do it. Ha! Ha! And one more thing is we're doing it. It is all scientifically proven. This is called the laughing Buddha, and the palms of crown chakra के बगल में होगा, and eyes above, eyes हमारी ऊपर होगी, tongue बाहर, क्योंकि हमारे emotions release होते हैं tongue से, and we will create अंदर से ha 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 6 times. Okay, so eyes up, tongue bahar, and let us start. Tongue bahar. Thank you.
Thank you Ritu, thank you for creating.
Thank you.
रितु जी, मुझे एक थॉट आ रही थी, आज तो
Thank you.
खाना का बर्थडे,
जय श्री
सबको
कृष्णा।
काली माई क्यों बना रहे हो?
Thank you very much.
जय श्री कृष्णा।
आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आप
शुरू करा करिए ना, 5:20 every day. Let's do this laughter.
Okay, Praveen ji, thank you.
Thank you everybody. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
bye.
Thank you.
तो आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप जब भी आज वॉकिंग जॉगिंग करेंगे तो आप ऐप ऑन कीजिए इम्पैक्ट वाला, ताकि आप डोनेट कर पाए। हमारा बहुत स्पीड ज्यादा था कल, वापस स्पीड थोड़ा सा कम हुआ है। सो आप सभी से निवेदन है कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा इस्तेमाल कीजिए, ताकि हम लोग डोनेट कर सके। किसी को खाना मिलेगा, किसी को एजुकेशन मिलेगा, किसी को और कुछ मिलेगा।
नीलेश, वो जो गूगल फॉर्म भेजा था वो रोज फिल करके भेजना है क्या? विद
एक्सरसाइज वाला ना? हाँ, राइट,
गूगल फॉर्म रोज भेजना है ना?
रोज भेजना है। मैं वापस एक बार भेज देता हूँ सब लोगों के लिए। और मैं सुशील जी का नंबर शेयर कर सकता हूँ? सुशील जी आपका नंबर?
Yes, Nilesh ji, sure.
So I will share your number with recording. मैं recording लेकिन आज शाम को शेयर कर पाऊंगा। So I will share recording with all of you in the evening. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you everybody. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Happy Janmashtami.
Thank you Ritu. Thank you very
Happy
much.
Janmashtami.
Thank you.
Thank you.
जय श्री
Thank you.
कृष्णा।
Nilesh ji.
Yes, you.
Thank you.